Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
The unprecedented rainfall in the cities, particularly on the 13th of October, has left most of the city areas like this, submerged, inundated, and at least, most of the buildings have submerged here. What you see here is not a water body, but a fully functional bridge, a fully functioning road, which on any usual day would have had a lot of vehicles. You can see on the other side a place of worship that's been almost half submerged there. We are being told that there are a lot of disaster response teams from within the city's management and NDRF teams on the ground. People in those low-lying areas where the houses you can see on the other side, they've all been evacuated and sent to nearest community halls. This is a record rainfall is what the IMD says.
बहुत हम भी डर गए थे बहुत, और पुलिस वाला भी आया, हटाने के लिए भी बोला हट जाओ यहाँ से, रोड पे चले जाओ। फिर बच्चों की वजह से हम मजबूर थे, इधर से बाहर भी नहीं निकल पा रहे थे और नुकसान भी बहुत हो गया है। उतना भी बोले तो उधर पुलिस वाला बहुत बोला कि बाहर निकलो, पर बाहर से बारिश थी बहुत, तो हम बाहर भी नहीं निकल पा रहे थे। बच्चे लगे, 4 घर की फैमिली थी और छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी हमारे साथ है, और हम वो डर के भी हम खामोश घर में बैठ गए। ठिकाना नहीं है, असल बोले तो कहाँ जाके बैठते हैं, कहाँ जाके रहना, कहाँ जाके बैठना।
कल रात जब बारिश हुआ था तो आपको कैसे लगा? बहुत भयंकर हुआ था ना बारिश?
बहुत हुआ था बारिश, तो बहुत ही हुआ था,
मगर हम तो बैठे रहिए, वैसे बैठे रहिए।
कोई भी मदद करने के लिए कोई भी नहीं आया। पुलिस रात में आए तो बोल रहे निकल जाओ। हम बोला कैसे निकलेंगे, वो मेरे पास बच्चे हैं, मेरे रिश्तेदार भी कोई नहीं है, किसी के घर के में जाएंगे। तो बोल रहे रोड में जाके बैठ जाओ। रोड में जाएंगे तो कोरोना की वजह से कैसे जाएंगे बैठ के? बच्चों को भी कोरोना लग जाएगा, हमको भी कोरोना लग जाएंगे, बारिश भी है, कैसे बैठेंगी बारिश में बच्चे को लेके? यहाँ ही रह गए, हम गए नहीं। हम जाएंगे तो मेरा सामान भी भेज जाएंगे, फिर क्या करेंगे हम लोग? वो मेरी मदद भी कोई भी नहीं करेगा, फिर ये वापस लाने के लिए, खरीदने के लिए कोई भी मदद नहीं करेंगे।
The forecast for the next few days in Hyderabad is very light to moderate rainfall. However, a few areas might see intense spell of rainfall. Another particular reason why you're seeing such heavy flow of water is the floodgates of water bodies like Himayat Sagar and Tank Bund have been opened, Musi River have been opened, so that there's enough flow and not stagnation of water, because the Hussain Sagar is another one large body in Hyderabad which is also seeing heavy flow there. About 19 DRF teams, the city disaster management teams, have been on the ground. NDRF teams have been brought for rescue operations. As of now, there's no official toll as of how many people have died, but the estimation is about 12 to 15 could be easily there. There have been wall collapses, there have been people got washed away in this particular water, and let me show you what exactly is this. Like I mentioned, I'm in Chadargat area, and if you just pan and see, this is the bridge that usually connects to the other side, and this is pretty busy usually with heavy traffic, but now that's been barricaded, and we are being told that people in these areas, depending on the water level, will also soon be evacuated. There's police security there so that there's no traffic coming to this particular area. And on the other side, what you saw here particularly is where the entire area, which usually is busy, full of traffic, is completely inundated. Let me just put this into context for you. What you are seeing, this heavy, it's not actually a water body, but a bridge that got submerged. You can see the trees that fell last night, which the authorities have been trying to clear. This entire area was a proper road. In fact, this is a Chadargat area which connects towards Dilshuk Nagar and Malakpet. Pretty busy at any time of the day, but since last night, this has been the situation. In fact, this has been the situation in most areas in Hyderabad, particularly in the older part of the city, where low-lying areas are pretty common and the drain system not so intact. The Telangana government has declared 2 days of holidays, as today and tomorrow, for all the government offices, private and non-essential offices. All of them have been shut, and people have been issued an advisory to stay home, not step out until extremely necessary. All the teams have been on the ground. The municipal minister KTR has been taking note of the situation, particularly in the older part of the city. Meanwhile, Andhra Pradesh, on the other hand, is also in a similar situation. Now the Met Department says the depression could be moving towards Karnataka from the northern part of Telangana. This is Rishika Sadam for The Print in Hyderabad.